Scarcely 40 years since Admiral George Dewey steamed into Manila Bay and established U.S. rule, the 16 million citizens of the Philippines have been able to set up a government of their own, patterned after the constitutional democracy of the United States. Number one citizen, strong man, and first president of the Philippine Commonwealth, slick and able 61-year-old MANUEL QUEZON, has campaigned long and hard on a platform of independence for his people.
His spontaneous and heartfelt respect. Speaking before his allies against totalitarianism, President QUEZON had this.
All each of the world, will depend upon your ability to save the continent from invasion. For I firmly believe that as this republic has been, they will be able to make all the liberty of the world maintain and preserve their own freedom. To come to the United States, I had to make a trip on the sea, under the water, and in the air. And I started that long, perilous trip with Captain Buckley of New York, who defied several Japanese destroyers and took me through those waters safely to Mindanao. The Filipinos have fought heroically side by side with the American soldiers against overwhelming odds. And today, after Bataan and Corregidor have surrendered, there is still fighting and will continue to fight until complete victory shall have been achieved